Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace license plate light bulbs. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and your new replacement bulbs. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Using the correct bulb type, often a 194 or 168 bulb, is crucial for proper function. Now, let's access those bulbs. You'll find the license plate light housing usually located directly above your vehicle's license plate. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully and gently pry open the clear or red lens cover. Once the cover is off, you can access the old bulb. Gently twist or pull the old bulb straight out from its socket to remove it. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new replacement bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated securely. Before putting everything back together, it's a good idea to briefly turn on your vehicle's lights to test the new bulb. This confirms it's working correctly and saves you from having to reopen the housing later. Almost done. Once you've confirmed the new bulb is working, carefully snap the lens cover back into its original position, ensuring it's securely fastened. Take a moment to double-check that both license plate lights are functioning properly and illuminating your plate clearly. Finally, remember to dispose of your old bulbs responsibly. Great job, your license plate lights are now replaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.